Hey everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Windows Vista. I know many of you guys are probably like, oh, another Windows Vista video, or why Windows Vista? Take a look at Windows 8 or something like that. Well, Windows Vista was a pretty unique operating system. Yes, it was not the most famous operating system, but it was there and it worked, and that's what it did. We know its sister OS, which is Windows 7, but we know that that was the greatest OS of all time, and it's still an ESU service right now. We're going to be installing Windows Vista, just taking a look at all the unique things, and preferably on, I'll get started with this is an EliteBook 6930p running Windows 10 Home 64-bit. And this is also a 32-bit processor as well. So I'm going to be installing the 32-bit version Home Premium on this computer. And then we're going to be taking a look at how fast the computer is, how fast it really is, because this computer came originally with Windows Vista. I don't know what version, but it did come with Windows Vista and all the supported apps as well. And I don't know if this is the original charger. It does say replacement AC or replacement AC adapter, so that might be a replacement version. And battery still holds a charge about 2 hours to 3 hours, and that's it. And the computer is, it's sort of slow and sluggish, but it does handle Windows 10. You can surf the web and watch YouTube videos and things like that. But I still want to take a look at Windows Vista anyway. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be splitting the hard drive in two pieces, in two partitions, basically. We're going to have Windows 10 Home and all my stuff that I normally do on there, and then we're going to have the Vista partition. So, without further ado, let's get started. So normally you press the little button right here, and this is why. This is like my military grade computer. You know, I don't have a military computer. This is like my end of the world computer that will come with me in the end times, because it is the smallest laptop I own, and it was actually my grandpa's, and my grandpa used this. So it's very personal to me as well. Alright, so to get started, just gonna press the power button. And also, I wish that the light was not broken up here, but it does flip open, it does work, so. Alright, so right now we're just booting into disk management service, and I'm gonna split the disk. I do believe I have another partition on here too, so I'm gonna have to split the master disk in two, and hopefully I should have enough space for both to still be able to do things too. Okay, so yeah, so we have 148 gigs on this one, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna right click, we're gonna shrink volume. Now when it shrinks the volume, it's actually gonna shrink it for you at the correct numbers. This is why it queries volume for available shrink space, please wait. Okay, and here it is. So it looks like one of them is going to have 87, and one of them is going to have 64. Let's press shrink. We're good to go. It'll shrink this. We'll create it into a new partition, and we'll call it Windows Vista Home Premium. Now, I do have a real licensed Windows Home Premium product key. Sorry, Windows Vista Home product key. Or no, Home Premium product key. Gosh, can't say it right. Okay, and here it is. This is the unallocated space. We're going to press new simple volume, and we're going to press next, and we're going to call it Windows Vista. That's going to finish it. Open the see what's next for Windows. I already saw that, which was really awesome. As you guys may know, Windows 11 has launched. You've probably seen that in one of my previous videos. Alright, and the new volume, it already opened it up. New volume has been created. Alright, so we're going to press X. We're going to X out of here. We're going to press restart the system. As what I'm doing over here on this side, I am taking my Windows Vista All Editions CD. And I created the CD for it, of course. Pop it in. Actually, I don't want to get confused with startup, so we're just not gonna let it do anything. I just let it sit in there for a second. And when it restarts, the disk will speed up, and then we will get ready to start installing Windows Vista. We're gonna do I think the notebook upgrade bay was technically the CD thing. Do that. Windows setup. Windows is gonna be loading the files. All right, everyone, so we're at the Windows Vista install screen, and it just looks so good. Looks so clean, looks so fresh. All right. With the Windows Vista logo and everything there, I guess we're ready to go. Actually, I like that. It says copyright 2006 Microsoft Corporation. 2006, Windows Vista was initiated. Same way as this computer as well. This computer was probably initiated in 2007 as well. Well, I'm just curious. I'm gonna press what to know before installing Windows. Okay, so that's cool. All right, installing Windows. This document provides general information you should know before installing Windows Vista. These are instructions for upgrading your computer. You want to replace your current operating system. You have an operating system installed on your computer. Before you upgrade or install, check your Windows package to make sure you meet system requirements. Decide whether you install a 32-bit or 64-bit version. That's fair. And find a key. That's really cool. All right. Well, guys, we're gonna press install, and then it's gonna go through the task of installing. Or actually, no, I'm sorry. Not thinking straight today. It's going to want to select the disk, and we're going to select the Windows Vista disk. Okay, so I have a product key. I don't have it with me right this moment. It's not where I can grasp it. I will enter in the product key later, and I can actually going to show you guys that I can still call and activate the key later. Okay, it's going to install Windows Loader. Do you want to enter product key now? If you don't choose enter product key now, reinstall. No, it's going to load. And then we're gonna wanna install Windows Home Premium. And this should be, oh wow, I didn't even know there was a Windows Vista starter. Now I do know. I have selected next. We can accept the license and terms. I wanna hear in the comment section below. If you're a guy that has installed Windows Vista before any Windows operating system, I wanna hear, have you guys ever read through this entire agreement, license, and terms? I want to know. I just want to know. We're gonna do a custom because, of course, you can't upgrade because we're Windows 10, so we can't. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Okay, this is where it gets dangerous. We gotta be careful. The primary right here, O2, that is our Windows 10 partition. Right here, partition 3 is Windows Vista. We're gonna install on that. And then here we go. It's gonna sit this screen for a little bit, and then we're gonna get to take a look at Windows Vista here in a little bit. All right, everyone, this computer was literally done within like 20 minutes. And the CPU is actually kind of cold, so that's always a good thing as well. I'm just gonna type in Elite for the moment, and password. I'm gonna use recommended settings. Eastern time we are. Yep, and then this is really cool. Like, Windows Vista is still really, really cool. Everything looks really good. It is very, very awesome. Oh, we can start too. I mean, the backgrounds almost relate to like Windows 10 almost, with the way the backgrounds are. All right, now this is where it takes about a couple years. It's gonna check your performance thing. Oh, and I just see it fixed the graphics card just a second ago. It's gonna do a whole bunch of stuff, and I like how it tells you about everything. It just seems really cool. Like Windows 7, it just installs it, and like that's it. But Windows Vista just seemed almost more user-friendly when you were, working with it. All right, and here we are at the login screen of Windows Vista Home Premium. And I gotta say, it is literally almost the exact same thing as Windows 10. It's just that the starting thing is over here. You log in, your little text-to-speech or ease of access button is right there, and I actually thought the graphics card was installed, and I can already tell it's not, so it did not install the graphics card yet. Which is, I might have to manually do that and find out on the net somewhere, so. Alright, so I'm gonna type in my password. It's gonna prepare the desktop. And here we are. This is my first ever time taking a look at Windows Vista on a laptop. Now it's got my battery information over here as well, fully charged, which is awesome. So we have the sidebar over here. I'm not a big fan of the sidebar, but I do like the sidebar. We're gonna close sidebar. And we got our welcome screen, and now I can see mine. Which is interesting because you have 2.90 gigabytes of RAM when I have 4 gigabytes in there. Which tells me I could have installed Windows Vista Home Premium 64-bit would have given me 4 gigs of RAM. That's interesting. I probably will end up doing that, and then we'll take a look at everything, but I gotta make sure that there's something I have to click here so that I don't ever have to see this again or something. I don't know. That'll probably pop up every time, but yeah, and the background's so cool. Everything is just here. Everything's really huge right now just cause, and let's take a look at control panel. Everything is basically the same here. System, yep, everything is literally legit the same. Change battery settings and everything, network connectivity, the sound, speakers. I don't know why I can't hear them, but they're probably not installed. Files. The only thing that's different on here is the file explorer or explorer. Yeah, I guess quick launch. I don't know. There's like basically what we press is we just press computer, and then it takes us to like here's this one right here, and then this is our Windows Vista right here, and then our Windows and then everything, and like our pictures, everything is in here. So we have like sample music and all this and whatever. But that's pretty much all we're covering today. I just want to show you guys Windows Vista, and maybe if you guys didn't know, this is how everything looks and everything. And if you guys have maybe never even seen Windows Vista, nor even heard of Windows Vista before, this is Windows Vista. This is really awesome. This is basically what it is. Like we have our calendar and everything over here. Yep, and everything over here. And that's basically it, you guys. And more videos are going to be doing on Windows Vista and some old Windows Vista and some old Windows software as well. I might reinstall this version and create a 64-bit version so I can get all that 4 gigs of RAM utilized and everything. And we'll take a look at some old software, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. And well, I will still always be a Windows Vista user on my original compact machine that you guys probably have not even seen yet. And I keep saying I've showed you guys, but I probably haven't. That will be in future videos as well. That'll probably be in future Windows Vista videos very, very soon. So you might not see this laptop, but I just want to show you like the laptop version, like, you know, and how this, you know, all these Elite books and how the battery is over here and everything, and how that looks pretty like similar and whatever. But all right, guys, so I want to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as always, guys, we'll see you in the next one.